There's a reason Face ID is one of the first things Apple wants you to set up on your iPhone 17. It's fast, secure, and makes unlocking your phone feel effortless. Whether you skipped it during the initial setup or just got your new device, here's how to set it up properly so your personal data stays protected. Face ID uses the TrueDepth camera system to map your face with over 30,000 invisible dots, ensuring that only you can unlock your iPhone, approve payments, or sign into apps. Once it's set up, your phone instantly recognizes you, even in low light or with minor changes in your appearance. Let's get started. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. When asked, enter your device passcode to proceed. You'll now see the Set Up Face ID option. Tap it to begin. Your iPhone will display an on-screen setup guide. Position your face within the frame and slowly move your head in a circular motion to capture all angles. This allows your iPhone to build a complete facial map. Once the first scan completes, tap Continue to perform a second scan for better accuracy. When both scans are done, you'll see confirmation that Face ID is successfully set up. Afterward, you can choose what actions Face ID will control, like unlocking your iPhone, confirming purchases in the App Store, making secure payments, or using password autofill. If you often wear a mask, you can also tap Set Up Face ID with a mask, so it recognizes your eyes and upper face for convenient unlocking. You can return to this menu anytime to adjust these settings. Just repeat the same steps and modify the Use Face ID for options to fit your preferences. And that's it! Your iPhone 17 is now secured with Face ID, giving you seamless access while keeping your information safe. You'll appreciate how quickly it unlocks your device and how smoothly it integrates with Apple Pay and app sign-ins. If this video helped you secure your iPhone 17, please give it a like and check out our other tutorials to master your device even more. Thanks for watching.